you get into this industry, Radar?
Actually, it's my journey has been long. Started out in the 70s, late 70s. My mother actually owned a very large company down in South Florida, and I was a young boy actually. Started doing organizational of their facilities as shops and things of that nature. And I really had a hand at it. And then whenever I went through college, I ended up becoming a certified chef, and I was utilizing what we call now lean techniques, first in, first out, the elimination of waste in the culinary field. And I worked through the American Culinary Federation and things of that nature, and did test kitchens and all that. But I've always had a need for understanding technology and maintenance. So through the 80s and 90s, I got into lean manufacturing, and I got into lean coordination, working with people like Jim Womack, who did lean thinking, and others. And I saw that there was a trend, no matter what business that we are in, whether it is in manufacturing, producing products, even down into your local kitchens, there's standardization that is there, and it's all about inventory. And if you don't have the inventory, you cannot produce the results that your customers want. So that's why I got into MRO over the past 30 plus years.